Happy Monday, you guys. So the audio in this clip was really bad, so I'm just gonna voice over it right now. But I'm wearing earrings from AliExpress, necklace, I got it as a gift, cardigan from Abercrombie, jeans from Forever 21, and tank top from Walmart, and then Ralph Lauren boots. Yeah. Okay guys, here is another version of the outfit. I took down my low bun. So this is what the hair looks like. We have our boots, very shiny, skinny jeans, cardigan, and a little tank top in here. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday and it is time for my daily outfit. So earrings again as a gift, sweater thrifted, and then pants from Forever 21, and Reebok shoes are from PacSun, I think. Hi guys, so this is my Wednesday outfit. Top is from Macy's, pants are from Forever 21, earrings are from AliExpress, and I wore these black shoes today from Jimmy Choo. Good morning everyone, happy Thursday. Today I did my makeup and I'm wearing a very cute, not cute, but comfy basic outfit today for the colder fall weather. It is just a pink hoodie, black t-shirt, and black leggings. So yeah, this is the fit. Hi guys, so it's Friday. I'm talking really quiet right now because it's the morning, but here's my outfit. Earrings from AliExpress, sweater from Abercrombie, and sweatpants. I couldn't remember at this time where they were from, but I remember now, and it's Banana Republic. So there you go. Happy Friday, guys. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning, and today I'm gonna do something different, and you're gonna see me get ready too, instead of just my outfit, because I have 30 minutes and it's the weekend, so let's have some fun. Today I have family day, so I'm gonna do hair and makeup, and then I'll change into an outfit. So yeah. Okay, so while I am doing my makeup, I'm just gonna tell you guys a little story. So the reason why I'm posting these different videos is because I want to start taking YouTube more seriously and posting more vlog style content about my life to sort of document everything that I go through, especially because I'm in college now and I do have a little bit more time to work on projects on the side and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just the beginning of my YouTube channel, besides all the cover content that I put out. So hopefully you enjoy it. If you don't, I understand, but if you want to stay with me, you can subscribe, and yeah. Hi guys, I'm at the mall, and look at this. Isn't that so cool? And these, absolutely gorgeous, just glistening in the light. $425. Crazy. Also, look at my outfit. Hey guys, I just ordered Uber Eats for the first time ever. Here it is. Let's do an unboxing. So I ordered 2 drinks and some mochi donuts. And For your first order, you get $30 off. So this entire thing, including delivery and tip, was $8. So this is my strawberry tea. And then you have an avocado smoothie with some boba straws. Look how cute. So that's that. And then here is the grand reveal of the Chewy Puff Donuts. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. They smell so good. Oh my gosh. He's on his way here, so I'm so excited.